Hi there, Melody from WTI. And in the event of an emergency, you don't need to stress out. You don't need to worry about it if you've got one of these portable toilets from Alpcour. Let me show you. The travel-friendly, eco-friendly, ultimate portable toilet. It is super comfortable, easy to use, easy to clean. It is something that everybody needs. It has an easy read level indicator here to let you know when it's time to empty. Although it's lightweight, anyone up to 440 pounds can use it. It's made out of a durable, heavy-duty material that naturally minimizes odors and resists rust and corrosion. So you fill in the tank, super easy, you pump to flush, and it's an amazing 50+ flush capacity. So it's really gonna hold a lot of waste in there. You just pull the lever and everything drains into the secondary little area where it holds all your waste. It also comes with this neat little sprayer bottle. So it'll ensure that whether you use it for your hands, whether you use it to spray inside the toilet, and maybe even thoughts of a bidet, why not travel in style? No plumbing or hookups required to empty this. The water tank, it holds 3.2 gallons of water, and the waste tank holds 5.3 gallons of waste, which is awesome because that means fewer emptying trips. And emptying it is not difficult. You just turn that orange pipe and empty it. It also comes with this really cool little carrying tote, so you can store it anywhere or take it anywhere. Like I said, this is private, no plumbing required. It's sustainable, versatile, and very durable. So, in the event of an emergency, it's okay, you got this. Whether it's camping, traveling, whether there's no power, or even if you've hurt yourself and you can't make the stairs in your home, this portable toilet from Alpcour is what you need. It's gonna take the stress out of any one of those emergencies. But that's my point of view.